So these are the configuration of this bot, this sniper bot. You can configure your private key, the wallet that you want to use for buying these tokens, by sniping those tokens. You can add private key here. You can use your phantom wallet or maybe create a new one and import its key and add some soul and add this private key here, and your RPC endpoint and WebSocket URL will be here. Then you can quote amount set to vSol. It will be using, you don't have to wrap sol or unwrap sol everything. It will be doing it all its own. So you don't have to change these values. And quote amount is for buying amount, what amount you want to use for buying tokens for each token. For now it's like 0.005. You can change it to your own amount that you want to use. And max buy retries, how many times you want to try again if it fails once, and max sell retries, auto sell delay. For now set it to higher delay. If you don't want to sell it instantly, set it to like higher so that you can sell it with your take profit or stop loss and your slippage. You can set it to lower because with using when you are using Jito you don't have to worry about the slippage because it G2 processes transactions faster, so they don't stay in queue longer. So they don't just go through or fail. And there is a snipe list. You can use your own list if you want to snipe your tokens manually. You can use those here. And because we are using G2, we can pay higher fee and be the top 10, be in top 10 buyers. We can do that too. Here is the snipe list.txt file. You can just paste your tokens mint address that you want to snipe and it will start monitoring, and whenever the token launches it will snipe the token. And there is a Jito settings for Jito. You can one token at a time set it to true, so it will only be buying one token at a time and not multiple tokens. And block engine URL, you can use the closest URL to your country. So like if you are in Singapore you can use Singapore's, or Tokyo you can use Tokyo's mainnet block engine URL from G2 website. You can get it from G2 documentation. And G2 fee for this fee is in Lamport, so you can increase higher if you want to pay higher fee. And G2 key, for G2 key you have to apply for a G2 key and then you will get in 24 hours or maybe more. It will take some time, then they will approve your request and give you a G2 key to use. And there is a Jito mode. You can set it to true to use Jito, and Jito all. If you want to use Jito for all transactions you can set it to true. For now set it to false because Jito key also has some rate limits, so it's better to use it only for buying and selling and not for all the transactions that are happening. So set it to true Jito mode only. And let me start the bot and show you how it works. Just have to open terminal. You can install Visual Studio Code and it will be like this. Just open file and open the folder where your bot is. You can install it from there. Just type install command and then just run the bot and it will start running. So if you don't have any coding experience and programming experience you can still run the bot without any problem. I will give you all the commands, like if you want to start you can, so I will give you the commands to install. It's easy, just npm install and it will install all the dependencies and SDKs required to run this bot. Then you can just run a command and this bot will start buying and selling it. You don't have to manage it manually, it will be doing all in on its own. So for now I have to start the bot and show you how it works. So it's starting now. I'm not using any sniplets, so it's set to false. So now it's listening. It will be monitoring for open book changes and raydium changes. Whenever a token that is monitoring goes live, it will buy the token. You can stop it with Control C to stop the bot. For now, let me pause it for a few seconds. So I will start when it detects a new token creation. So it detected a new pool with a requirement like we set to minimum 0.5 Sol. So I think it bought the token. So let's see. This was the token that it bought. Let's check. Okay, this one was the token. Let's open and open this token here. Okay, this was the token. Let's open it on Dex Screener to see where it bought. With our wallet. As you can see here, it paid Jito fee. Like this was Jito fee 1 minute ago. It paid that Jito fee and used 0.005 Sol for buying. You can lower the Jito fee if you want. You can even low or higher pay even higher fee if you want. For now, it bought the token. Let's see where it bought. Okay, it bought and sold. Like it bought at 1397 and sold at 1428, like right away it just sold. As you can see here, it sold already, so I'm stopping it so because I don't want to run it right now. So this was the working of this bot. As you can see, for now I was just testing and it was profitable. You can configure your own strategy in .env. You can try different things and use the working strategy and keep trying that. And because you have options, multiple options, you can change and try different things.